Hello everybody, how are you? We are today, again, theme 4, chapter 2. We are going to have lesson 3 and lesson 4. Next, we are going to have why people need transportation. So, why people use means of transportation. It means to move from place to another or to transport goods all around the world. Which means, what is the goods? The things that we need. Maybe foods, maybe clothes, maybe everything that we need. So we transport, we move it from place to another. Again, why do people need transportation? Of course, as we are pupils here, we go school by bus, as we see in the presentation. So we use, the people use transportation to move from, to go from your home to the school by bus. Or in the big using as going to work, as in the car, as our father or mother go to work by car. Or also there are people travel by train to go to work or to go to their family. Also there are public using like train and like bus. Okay, so we go to work maybe by car, by train or bus. Next. Now, if we want to visit our friends or our family, even the ones in other countries, we use maybe by the sea or maybe on land or maybe over the mountains, like we see in the presentation. We have ships, we use it in the sea, or by using the car, or from another country like Cairo to Tokyo, maybe, for example, we use plane. Moving goods also from where they are made to where they are sold. Like we have the big ship that moves maybe, as you know, in our Suez Canal, or the trucks that we have. These are are very big so as to take more goods. Next. Why we make transportation for goods? For trade. What do I mean by trade? Is buying or selling goods and also services. Goods, the things that we buy or sell, like food, like clothes, like furniture, like the things we use daily or in our time being, okay? So this is trade. We buy or sell the goods, okay? Next. Also, what is meant of services? What do I mean by services? These are the things that we buy or sell by doing an effort, like sewing clothes, or the man who is building our buildings, the place where we stay in, okay? While in the ancient times, before the concept of money, which we are doing, we use it in trading. The trade is the exchange of goods, and we use it, we buy things and we give for the man the money. But in ancient time, they didn't use money, but they were using bartering. Now people use money to make trade easier, okay? Next. Now transportation helps us in trading goods, like in water. Water we use ships, as we put different goods, okay? And we use the ships, okay? And also we use long distance by trucks and trains. The distance where the place there is road and it is very facility by using the trucks and trains, and we put the goods on it and we travel the goods from place to another. Also, next, we use mountains. Mountains, we use the goods to transfer it from one country to another by planes, okay, by aeroplanes, okay? This is what is meant of transporting things, okay? We are now, next, we are in lesson 4, meeting people needs. People needs to meet each other. And we use system. What is meant of system? It is a set of things which means a group of things that work together to support movement of people and goods. So this system, we are going to emphasize on the transportation system, which is the collection. It is a collection of people and machines, both of them, that work together to transport passengers and goods, people and goods in the same time. Okay, so this is what is meant of transportation system. We use to change people from place to another and things also. Next. Types of transportation system. We have land transport as bicycle, as you use your bicycle. They are very useful for short journeys or distance in good weather. If it is sunny and the weather is good, so we use our bicycle. But we also use cars and buses. They transport people quickly in their community, where if they want to go to work or to go to club or everywhere they want to go, so they use the cars and buses. Next, we use trains and trucks. The trains and trucks are specified specially for transporting heavy goods, okay? And also the train is to carry people, the passengers means the people who are traveling in a long trip. Like if we want to go to Alex, from Cairo to Alex, we use the train, or from Cairo to Aswan, we use the train also. So this is carrying passengers on long trips, okay? Next. Also, there is water transport. We use the water in transporting things as ships. We have different types of water. We have River Nile, or we have the sea or the oceans. So we carry goods and passengers across oceans and the seas and the rivers, okay? And also the capacity of the ship, it differs from the goods that we use to transport. If it is small, okay, it is small. Big, it is big, okay? Also the air transport, like such as the aeroplanes. We are useful, very useful for traveling for long distances and over oceans quickly, like from Egypt to America, the ocean, the transferring from place to another, like we talking about, okay? I hope that the lesson is okay, and I hope I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Goodbye.